Out of your mouth. Max, out of your mouth. No. Too much fun. Stop. Out of the mouth. Max. Max. He's trying to crawl. Oh my gosh, is he going to crawl for the first time in the doctor's office? That was close. I thought he was going somewhere. And I got it on tape too.